It's really windy out here today, so I might end up overdubbing.
Yeah, here's the overdub. And here's me cutting out bits of cardboard to make a template to replace this brick track bed down there, which, as I discussed before, turned out not to be very good. I've got a bit of board that came from a shop down the road. They'd had their window smashed, and they just boarded up the window while they were waiting for the glass. Once they got the new glass, they chucked it away. So I said, can I have it? And they said yes, which was brilliant. Got a bit of track bed for free. And I was really happy to find, once I put it in place, that it fit quite nicely. I've pulled up all the bricks that were down there. It was a bit of a shame to get rid of some of this track that had got moss growing on it, because it just looks so scenic and nice. But in the few years that Rockery Corner's been there, the moss has become widespread, and it does still look quite scenic. And after all, I'd rather have track the trains can run on than track that looks pretty but doesn't work.